Here we are again, old dirt bike run. We are starting up the old dirt bike. Let's go. Goodbye. This is old dirt bike run.